Before you begin, ensure your system meets the necessary requirements. This is crucial for a smooth and efficient experience with Janus Pro 7B. Janus Pro 7B demands significant computational resources. A powerful CPU and plenty of RAM will help handle the intensive tasks. A high-end GPU is strongly recommended for optimal performance. This will ensure that the model runs efficiently and processes data quickly. Ensure you have ample storage space, as the model files can be quite large. An SSD is preferable for faster data access and better overall performance. A stable internet connection is crucial for downloading model files and accessing updates. High-speed internet will save you time and prevent interruptions. In terms of software, you'll need a compatible operating system. Make sure your OS is up to date to avoid compatibility issues. Janus Pro 7B supports both Linux and Windows environments. Choose the one you are most comfortable with for development. Familiarity with Python programming is essential. Python is the primary language used for interacting with Janus Pro 7B. You'll be interacting with the model primarily through Python scripts. This allows for flexible and powerful manipulation of the model. Install the required Python libraries, including TensorFlow or PyTorch, depending on your preference. These libraries are essential for running and training the model effectively. To access Janus Pro 7B, you'll need to obtain access credentials. This process ensures that only authorized users can utilize the advanced features of the model. Visit the official Janus Pro 7B website. This is the primary portal for all information and resources related to the model. This website will provide comprehensive information about the model and its capabilities. You'll find detailed documentation, user guides, and technical specifications. Navigate to the Access or Download section of the website. This section is specifically designed to help users get started with Janus Pro 7B. Look for a registration form or a link to request access. This form is crucial for verifying your identity and ensuring secure access. You'll likely need to provide your name, email address, and institutional affiliation. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy. The Janus Pro 7B team will review your request and grant access if they deem it appropriate. This review process ensures that the tool is used responsibly. Once approved, you'll receive an email with your unique API key and instructions for proceeding. This key is essential for accessing the full suite of features offered by Janus Pro 7B. Setting up your environment is crucial for seamless interaction with Janus Pro 7B. You have two primary options: local installation or cloud access. Local installation offers greater control but requires more resources. Cloud access provides flexibility and scalability, allowing you to leverage powerful remote servers. For local installation, download the model files from the provided link. Create a dedicated directory for Janus Pro 7B on your system. Extract the downloaded files into this directory. Ensure that your Python environment is configured correctly. Verify that you have the necessary libraries installed. With your environment set up, you can start running inference with Janus Pro 7B. This powerful model can handle a variety of tasks, from text generation to image classification. Open your preferred Python IDE or text editor. This is where you'll write and execute your code. Import the necessary libraries, including the Janus Pro 7B module. Make sure all dependencies are installed to avoid any runtime errors. Load the pre-trained Janus Pro 7B model into your script. This step is crucial for leveraging the model's capabilities. Prepare your input data according to the model's requirements. This could involve cleaning and structuring your data properly. This may involve tokenization or other pre-processing steps. Proper pre-processing ensures the model understands your data. Use the appropriate method to feed your input data to the model. This could be a simple function call or a more complex data pipeline. The model will generate predictions or outputs based on its training. These outputs can vary greatly depending on your specific use case. Interpret and visualize the results according to your specific task. Visualization can help in understanding the model's performance. For example, you might display generated text, classify images, or analyze sentiment. Each task will have its own unique way of presenting results.